There can be a lot of power and a lot of impact in art that faithfully depicts the world around it with great fidelity and accuracy and detail. But that's not the only route to images that impact us. The history of art is filled with amazing works, breathtaking works that do very little of that. And there can be an exhilaration, a freedom in enjoying those works that are celebrating of the humanity of their creation, of the imperfections, of the natural exaggerations that the mind makes when it perceives the world, how it prioritizes the eyes when it looks at a face, because we've evolved to need to know very quickly the emotional state of a face that looks at us and whether it's a danger. And the eyes are an excellent place to grab that information, so we prioritize them. There are natural exaggerations that one tends to make. And I'm not talking about the idealizations and stylizations of form where one embellishes, idealizes a person to be more, whatever the situation calls for, more glamorous, more adventurous, stronger. I'm looking for those exaggerations that are natural parts of the human act of observing another human being, of spending time with another person, and letting go of some of the pressure to see and paint the way a camera does. Part of that involves leaving all of these artifacts of the creation, of not hiding brushstrokes, of not hiding earlier stages of drawing, of not even hiding the, in this case, the canvas that it's painted on. But celebrating the artificial nature of this intentionally constructed thing that is a painting, that is a drawing made by one human for other humans. An act of communication that celebrates our shared humanity and our personal quirks and foibles.